Welcome back! Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to bake pineapple winglets. Hope you like it. Christmas is coming. This recipe is also suitable as a Christmas meal. The fruit enzymes contained in fruits can effectively soften the meat. Adding fruits when marinating meat can also add fruity flavor to the meat and make it more tender. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: winglets, pineapple, chopped garlic. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoons pineapple juice. I just squeeze out the pineapple juice, optional to use fruit blender as you like. Mix all together, then fridge to marinate. Oops, I left out chopped garlic. Just put a teaspoon and mix well. Line aluminium foil on baking tray. I have the winglets marinated for 2 hours. If you have time, marinate it for longer period. The meat will taste better. Drizzle cooking oil on aluminium foil, then arrange winglets on top. Drizzle cooking oil on winglets. Let's use steam roast mode to roast winglets. After 10 minutes, flip winglets, then change to roast mode. Bake for 10 minutes at 220 degrees, baking duration to adjust accordingly. Start with the steam bake mode so that the wings are cooked through but not dry, then use the roast mode for a crispy skin. This is the outcome. It smells so good. Plate chicken wings. Garnish with pineapple slices and let's serve and enjoy it. How about it? It's very simple to make, right? You can also make it for your family this Christmas or New Year. The chicken wings are tender and melt in your mouth. Delicious. Everyone loves this grilled chicken wings recipe. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Meat dishes are the protagonist of a table. How to make this protagonist appear brilliantly every day is a big challenge for many mothers, and pickle is one of the best techniques in meat dishes. Whether it is chicken, pork, beef, or other meats, the fishy smell is inevitable, so pickle is even more important. This step can remove the fishy smell, tenderize the meat tissue, and make the meat taste smooth. Although marinating meat before cooking can improve the taste and flavor of the meat and add a lot of points to the meat, the marinating technique is also a test of the chef's skills. The seemingly simple marinating method has many secrets. What is the best way to make the marinade? What are the methods to make the meat tender? Or the tricks to quickly absorb the flavor? We will reveal them one by one here. Among fruits, pineapples, oranges, tangerines, mangoes, kiwis, apples, pears, green papayas, and watermelon rinds have fruit enzymes that can decompose proteins to soften the meat. Among them, pineapples have the most significant effect. The fiber and enzymes in vegetables can also soften the meat. Although the effect is not as obvious as that of fruits, the effect of vegetables in removing greasiness and fishy smell is no less than that of fruits, and the refreshing flavor of vegetables is also unique. Commonly used vegetables for marinating meat include celery, onions, green onions, ginger, etc. Egg whites and cornstarch can both keep meat moist and tender, while fat can prevent meat from sticking to each other when stir-frying or frying. It is important to use egg whites instead of egg yolks, because the coagulation of egg yolks cannot give the same smooth texture as egg whites. After adding marinade to the meat and mixing well, wrap it in a plastic bag or sealed box for marinating. The sealed pressure can help the meat absorb the sauce faster. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.